Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I quickly just wanted to pop on here before the video starts and let you guys know about a coupon code that I wasn't aware of when I filmed this video. So I've done this in the past and it's been really great to see you guys using my code. So if you use the code xoxRufus you can get 10% off your order, and the great thing about this is that there is no minimum spend, so you can spend as much or as little as you'd like and you can still get 10% off your entire order. And what makes it even better is that if you use that code xoxRufus and get your 10% off, you'll be entered into a prize draw and you could win yourself a $50 discount code for MiniatureSweet. So I just wanted to pop on here and let you guys know before I started the video, and if you have any questions or need any more information, I'll put everything in the description box for you guys. So I hope you enjoy the video. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So this is a super exciting video, as I always say it is. This is going to be another package opening from my faves, MiniatureSweet. If you can just take a minute to realise quite how big this package is. Like, I can't physically reach it because I've had to pull out the tripod so much to see it. So I'm not really sure how I'm going to open this, but yeah, this is absolutely huge. Unlike my usual package openings from MiniatureSweet, I do actually know what's inside here, but I've just been so inspired by a bunch of resin creators on Instagram, and I really want to give it a go. It was a craft I really wanted to be good at, and I just sucked at it. Like, I tried every trick in the book, every technique, like I did everything everyone said and all the tutorials said, and I still had bubbles, and basically it was just bubbles that were the problem. Like, in every single piece, like, it was just such an expensive hobby to have when I wasn't good at it. So I sort of gave it up, and I actually, like a year or so ago, I sold all of my craft supplies pretty much to one person on Instagram actually, and I forget her name. I follow her, but I forget her username. But yeah, I've just been seeing so many people do resin, and I really love it, so I'm going to give it another go. And obviously everything's moved on since then because I haven't done resin in like years, so everything's moved on and there's new supplies and techniques and things, and MiniatureSweet actually sell resin themselves, so I think it's a 3-to-1 resin, and I was using like the cast and craft 2-to-1 before, so I'm sort of hoping that the resin is what the problem was. So yeah, that's what's inside here, and even though I did order this stuff, I can't quite remember what everything is, so I probably will be a little bit surprised. But yeah, I'm also not just randomly promoting myself, I'm just hiding my addresses from you guys. But yeah, I am going to open this up and we are going to have a look, because this is probably going to be glorious, and it's going to be full of glitter, which is always a good thing. Are you guys ready? Oh, I literally can't reach it. Oh, they packaged everything so nicely. Right, oh, so excited. So yeah, actually I did forget to say at the beginning, I also bought this mould. I thought I'd show you guys the classic puffy heart mould. Sadly, I couldn't find one that wasn't from the US that was clear or even pink. I used to have this one actually in blue, but obviously with my problems with bubbles, I was kind of hoping to find the like kind of clear one. So if anyone knows about a clear one that's either on a cheap website, because I looked at eBay and AliExpress and all that lot, and I couldn't find any of these moulds, and then on Etsy I could only find this blue one that was for the UK. So yeah, if you know where I can get like either a cheap clear one or pink one or one that's in the UK, then please let me know. But yeah, got that, so super excited to have that back. Right, so I'm just going to pick the things I see. So first is this set of, I forget what these are called, like flake glitters? Confetti, no, what's it called? Not confetti glitters, I forget what they're called, but they look like this, and they are really gorgeous colours. So you've got pinks, 2 different types of pink, clear, orange, yellow, gold, this kind of red colour, silver, green, really pretty blue colour, this really pretty like purpley colour, and then a royal blue. So yeah, that's the first thing I got, and I always loved putting these in things. I think it's so pretty, and I can also use these on charms probably, or just to decorate. You can never have enough glitter, guys. I will have to rethink my glitter storage though. Well, I don't have a lot of glitter at the moment, but yeah, gotta rethink that. And then next, I'm super excited about this. They sent me a blue set of these type of glitters in the last package, I think it was, and I really love them. I used them for a photo, for Kawaii Studios. I'll put the photo up here now. and it was just so pretty. So I used that kind of glitter for these, and they have a bunch of different sets on their website. They have them in all different colours, and this was just the like white versions, or like hollow or iridescent, whatever you want to call it. I'm not sure if it's too bright to see, but there is like tinsel glitter, fine glitter, hexagonal glitter, and then this one's sort of, it's kind of hard to show you guys. It's like the same as this, but it's shining slightly different, and you get 2 sets of both, I believe. But like I said, I really like, actually wait a second, have they sent me 2 of these? This is the problem with MiniatureSweets, because they're so lovely. I'm pretty sure they've sent me extras, and I might not be able to remember which is which, so I'm pretty sure one of these is extra, because I think you only get this, because the blue one I have only has 4 as well. So yeah, I've got 2 of these, which is always good. So really pretty. And then let's see what else we've got. Oh yeah, this is really pretty on the website. So obviously I have a couple of pigments that they've already sent me for UV stuff, which by the way, I suck at UV resin as well. But I saw this and I was just like, oh, can't help myself. So this is a resin pigment, but it is pink pearl. And on the website, the picture was so pretty. So it is the, I'm not even going to try and pronounce that, you know, but it is the pearl pigment in light pink. I don't know if you can see that. It's super pretty. It actually kind of shines. I feel like it's got a kind of like gold shimmer on it, just like really slightly a gold shimmer. But yeah, let me, presumably you have to cut the top. Yeah, you have to cut the top. Oh, I'm so excited to use that. That will really save me some time mixing a pink. Sorry if it's not focusing, by the way. It's kind of a pain because I have to be so far away. Right, next this looks like more glitter. Sorry, I'm having to open it off camera sometimes. Right, what have we got here? So this is, I can't even remember if I'm completely honest. This might be free, I don't know. But here there is a really gorgeous, really rich red pigment. It's like a pearlescent powder pigment, and then you've got these really cute, like, I never know the word, I suppose slightly iridescent white, lime green, blue, and like a peachy colour kind of glitters. I think these might be little samples or something, which is so cute. This would look so cute on a cupcake, that colour. And this is just like stunning. Literally, that is so stunning. You can never have too many pigments, guys. Pretty much all of the Pearl X pigment I use as well have been samples from people. Well, from Sugar Charm Shop, Tanya. I literally still use them. They last so long, and I love them so much. So it's always nice to have more. Ooh, these are definitely little freebies. Oh, I love MiniatureSweet. If you didn't know, by the way, obviously MiniatureSweet and I go back very far. I call it an ambassador, a partner, whatever you want to call it. But I've been ordering from them for, oh my god, a very long time. 5+ years, maybe more, and they always give freebies, not just for me, they always give freebies with their orders. The more you order, the more freebies you get. Yeah, blah. If you know MiniatureSweet, you know how absolutely amazingly lovely they are. But I'm going to leave the little freebies till the end, and I'm going to open these, which is moulds, because I don't have, like I said, I sold all of my supplies and stuff. So I got that blue mould that I showed you earlier, and then I just got a bunch of different new moulds that I've never used before, because like I said, the world of resin and moulds and stuff has really come along since I've done it. So yeah, I just got some little ones that sort of like caught my attention, and then I also got like one that I might use for clay as well. So this I just saw and I could not help myself. Look at this. It is a tiny weeny little cat mould. They also had, I believe, they definitely had a square. I'm not sure if they had a little triangle. Actually, maybe they did have a square and a triangle on this. I'm not sure whether they had the circle or not, but basically it's advertised on the website as like a stud, so you can make earrings with this. This is literally so cute. I'm not even a fan of cats, but I just couldn't help myself. It's so cute. So yeah, I'm pretty sure they definitely had a square, but I can't quite remember. But I will link, I forgot to let you guys know, I will link absolutely everything I mentioned in this video down below. But yeah, so there's that. I'm so excited to use that. And I also got molds that were like small, so I wouldn't waste resin practicing and stuff. And this one I'm really excited about. This is literally just like a dog tag mould, and again I wouldn't have to worry about eye pins and stuff because it has its own hole. This would just purely be for, well, not purely be, but for practicing. I just thought this would be really good, and it's enough space for like a lot of stickers and stuff and a lot of glitter, so I got that one as well. And these are all flexible moulds. Then I also got this really cute small star and moon moulds, which again, great for practicing. These are really good quality actually, that feels amazing. Yeah, you could also turn these into studs, but they can be used as cabochons and all that fun stuff. You're part of the community, I'm sure, so you all know that. Then I got this one, which looks really, well, you can't really see it. It looked really cool on the website, and I also kind of have an idea for a new cupcake, which involves crystals and stuff. So these are actually like crystals. You'll have to see it on the listing because I can't obviously show you with this mould. But yeah, they're little crystals, so I wanted to use these for an idea that I've got, and that is just so satisfying. Oh, comment down below if you think that's satisfying. And then last but not least, I got this really, really tiny little macaron, shell mould. I only have like a one that's already like twice this size, and they go really, really tiny, and I thought they'd look really super cute on top of a cupcake or something, so I just wanted to add this to my collection because I'm really, really, really loving their small little moulds. If you don't, well, if you haven't watched my last no, not my last video, my charm update with all the Oreos and stuff, you know that I absolutely love their Oreo mould, and I'm also really in love with their little biscuit moulds and stuff. So yeah, really, really, really love this, and I cannot wait to use this and try it out. Next, I presume this is the resin. Again, so well packaged, guys. This came proper quickly as well. Again, I presume it's not like special treatment for me or anything, but this came really quickly, like less than a week, I feel like, with a weekend in between, so I'm proper impressed. I mean, their shipping's always been fairly quick for me, but this was kind of, they outdid themselves on this one. And I'm pretty sure I didn't pay any extra for like extra shipping. Well, the weight of this stuff probably meant I paid more, but I mean, I didn't pay for extra quick shipping or anything. More bubble wrap. Wait for it. Even more bubble wrap. And finally, here we go. So it comes with a little mixing cup. They do have silicone ones that you can clean out, which I'm pretty sure I have one, which is really good. And then it comes with pipettes and 2 syringes and a little stirrer. So it comes with A and B, and then obviously it has the instructions. Like I said, a friend recommended this to me. She's really wonderful at resin, and I just really wanted to get back into it. And I kind of asked her like what was happening in the resin community and what she was using, which, by the way, please don't just ask people where they get their supplies from. I know her, she's like a friend. I wouldn't just randomly ask someone because I feel like that's a little bit rude. But yeah, she was kind enough to divulge, and she uses these, or this. So yeah, like I said, I'm pretty sure it's a 3-to-1, which I've never used before. So as I said, I'm just hoping this is the answer to my problems, and I'll be a resin mastermind soon, but we will see. So that is the resin. Next, I really don't know what's in here. I'm not going to pretend because, like I said, even though I did order this stuff, I can't really remember what I ordered, even though it was like less than a week ago. Everything's so well bubble wrapped though, look at this. So it's international shipping, you really can't be lax with the bubble wrap. Right, let's have a look. Oh, ooh, yes, I remember this. Oh, this is exciting. So this is a set of all of the resin pigments they sell. I do believe they sell all of these separately. If not, then I'm pretty sure they sell most of them separately, or like the main colours separately. So you've got, is that black or blue, do you think? Oh, it's purple. Purple, let me try and do this. Purple, orange, pink. I'm not stupid, I know the colours. I'm just trying to see if they've got different names on them, like different colours. Red, and then that one's black, presumably black, white. Oh, that's a pretty colour. Green. See, now what do they call this one? Deep orange. Then you've got violet, carmine, yellow, and then what are these ones? You've got purplish red and blue. So yeah, that is a set of all of the pigments. Right, now let's open the little freebie thing they gave me, which is so cool. I already love these little snowflakes. They are going to be cracked out next winter because I love them. Oh yay! So I already have some of these sprinkles which I just adore. I might put these in the little giveaway box because like I said, I do have these and I absolutely love them already. Oh, I love these. I was actually going to buy some of these. So yeah, these are little sprinkles. These are better for like decadent because obviously the scale's wrong for my kind of crafts, but they've got gorgeous colours. Purple, lime green, blue, like a peachy orange, white, pink. I think that's it. Ooh, exciting. So they've sent these, I forget what these little things are called. Bezels? Not quite bezels, are they? But this is like a little twin star. I don't want to call it a bezel if that's the wrong word, but I'm going to call it that. So these are little twin stars. Ooh. All right, let's just get these out. So these are the little sprinkles. I literally am so excited. Then there is this star bezel, which looks like this, which is super cute. It's got a little heart there. That's really adorable. And then another little twin stars one, and they're on their little pony. Wait, how does it go? That way? Yeah, that way. So they're on their little pony. I'm pretty sure I've got some of these somewhere as well. They sent me a bunch of them in the past, so I'll finally get to use them. Oh, and then they sent me a bunch of moulds. So there is this really cute little Pegasus, unicorn rocking horse. And then there is, what is this? Oh, a little poodle. Oh, that's so cute. Look at that. Oh, that would be so cute. So a little poodle. And they also sent a snowflake, which is super cool. Again, I cannot wait to use these next year, or in the UK, probably next week. And then, oh, I'm really excited about this. They sent another one of those like really simple shaped, already got a hole in them molds. That's such a bad description. This is a little oval, which is super cute. Oh, I'm gonna make some really cute things, hopefully with these. They also have these, and like I said, like this dog tag kind of thing. Like they have these ones in like thousands of different shapes, which again, I just think would be really easy for me, for a beginner. I don't have to worry about eye pins, simple shapes, easy to stick stickers in and stuff. So yeah, I'm super excited. So this is everything I got. I'm so excited to start resin again. You guys better pray for me, pray to the craft gods, because Lord knows I need it. I really did suck at it. But anyway, I'm so excited and I love opening these packages, as you guys know, and I'm obviously such a massive fan of MiniatureSweet. As I said, all of the links to everything that I can find in this video, I'm not sure about these, but I'll try and find the little freebies as well, will be down in the description box below. Again, they will be affiliate codes, well, affiliate links, so if you don't want to support me in that way, please just hop on over to the MiniatureSweet website and just check things out. They're pretty much like named like sensible things, so you should be able to search them if you'd like. But if not, I really thank you guys for supporting me. It obviously helps me buy food and things. So thank you guys so much for supporting me and watching. If you'd like to watch my last video, then you can click on the screen right now. And you can also find an FAQ and links to all of my social and my shop in the description box down below. If you have any questions or want to tell me anything, then write it in the comments. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.